If you have a smartphone and want to earn money online, stay home without any investment. If you have no laptop, no PC, no degree, and also be doing a easy work on smartphone, and this video is very important for you. If you want to earn money online, just a simple copy paste work, copywriting work, article writing work, and want to $20 to $40 easily on your smartphone. If you want to understand and want to earn money online, simple copy paste work for learning. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your device and search here Chat GPT. And also be click on first link. Open search bar of Chat GPT and type here article topic title we have received from your client, and also be mentioned complete words as example 400 words article, 500 words article also be mentioned here. So as example, our topic is that write an article on a computer just 500 words, and press enter. The Chat GPT start on work, and so you can see that Chat GPT written our article completely 500 words, and this article is completely written by AI. Now how to convert this article AI to in a human based article, because we have sent to the client article just as a human based, not as a AI based. First step is that write article from AI, and second step is that convert AI to into human based. For converting, copy this article and save in a docs. For second step, open Google Chrome in your device and search here Importent.com and press enter button, and this type interface show on your screen. The benefit of this website is that is also be converted AI content into human based content, and also be free to use. And now here click on the paste text, and also be paste here all copy text from Chat GPT, and now click on paraphrase option at the bottom of the page. Just as a few seconds later, this website completely paraphrased our complete article. Simply copy paraphrased paragraph and go to the docs and save it as a new project. Remember that when you have used a free tool of this website Copywriting.com or other websites, must be copied 120 words, 130 words, paraphrase it, and also be copied again 120 words and 130 words, and not be copied all text and paraphrase it. And if you have used a paid tool, not any problems, complete all text, copy and paraphrase it easily. For checking again, open Google Chrome in your device and also be searched as a third website in your device. And now click on detect text, and this website start on work. Wait a few seconds and scroll down. You can see that 0% AI GPT is available. The Copywriting.com is completely rephrased, completely changed, completely AI remove, completely rearrange our article just as a AI content to human based content. I hope you understand this work completely. And now we have to receive the order from different places. And our first website is that Fiverr.com. Create an account on Fiverr.com and receive a order. Second website is at Upwork.com, and number third website is freelancing.com, and number 4, 5, 6 is that Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, etc. You can receive order from these websites easily. Thanks for watching this video. If you come first time on my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to receive more tech, freelancing, online earning video first of all.